Welcome to the Seeker's Lens. Please subscribe, like, and share our channel for amazing documentaries. Discover the untold story of India's maritime past and how it's making a comeback after centuries of decline. From the ancient Indus Valley civilization to the mighty Maratha Empire, India was once a dominant force on the high seas. But what led to its downfall? And how is modern-day India working to reclaim its place as a maritime superpower? Join us as we delve into the fascinating history and exciting future of India's naval ambitions. Long before the European naval powers ruled the seas, an ancient Indian dynasty commanded the waters with unmatched power and precision. They were the architects of one of the world's first maritime empires, the Cholas. What made the Cholas invincible on the seas? It was their advanced shipbuilding technology and strategic naval warfare. Their ships, known for speed and durability, were masterpieces crafted with precision. These were not just vessels of war but also carriers of trade and culture. The Chola Navy was the first to establish a blue water navy in Asia. They controlled crucial maritime trade routes and even influenced political dynamics in Southeast Asia. Trade was the lifeblood of the Chola Empire. Their merchants sailed to distant lands like Srivijaya, modern-day Indonesia, and Champa, Vietnam, bringing back exotic spices, gold, and silk. But they didn't just trade goods. They shared their culture, religion, and architectural styles. The Cholas were not just traders but also conquerors. Under the leadership of Rajendra Chola I, they launched successful naval expeditions, defeating powerful kingdoms like Srivijaya. This victory established their dominance over the Indian Ocean trade network. India faces a multitude of challenges in reclaiming its status as a maritime superpower. Geopolitical tensions with neighboring countries like China and Pakistan have led to a sense of unease, and the need for a strong naval presence has become increasingly important. Moreover, India's infrastructure, including its ports and shipbuilding capabilities, require significant upgrade and modernization. The country's vast coastline and extensive exclusive economic zone also necessitate the development of a robust maritime surveillance and defense system. In recent years, India has also been engaging in a series of high-profile naval exercises with like-minded nations, including the United States, Japan, and Australia. These exercises demonstrate India's ability to operate with advanced navies and underscore its commitment to building a robust maritime security architecture in the region. As India continues to rise from the shadows, its maritime resurgence holds significant implications for the region and beyond. The country's growing naval capabilities will not only enhance its national security but also contribute to maintaining a balance of power in the Indo-Pacific. In conclusion, India's journey to reclaim its status as a maritime superpower is a complex and ongoing process. But as we've seen, the country is taking concrete steps to address its challenges and seize opportunities in the maritime domain. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any thoughts on India's maritime future, be sure to share them in the comments below. Want to explore more untold stories of ancient civilizations? Subscribe to the Seeker's Lens and hit the bell icon to stay updated.